Hi, this week we've been exploring prime numbers. We started with something simple, arranging rocks and noticing that some numbers do not fit into rectangles, a low floor. And then from there, we discovered these oddball numbers, the ones that do not fit. They become the building blocks of everything. Then we asked a very human question. How many are there? And we found they never end. From something simple to something infinite. And even then, the story did not stop. Because although primes are completely determined, they do not look that way. They feel irregular, unpredictable. We can estimate where they are, but we cannot fully see the pattern. Even today, after thousands of years of study, there is still more we do not understand. Yes, a high ceiling. But maybe this is the point. Maybe prime numbers are not just something in mathematics. Maybe they are a picture of what mathematics is. Something simple enough to begin, deep enough to explore for a lifetime, full of structure and surprise. Like the Mona Lisa. At one level, it's just a painting. And yet, the more you look, the more you see. Mathematics can be like that. Not just a tool to get answers, but something to encounter, something to explore, something to wonder about. In a sense, mathematics is not in a hurry. It's more like a cathedral built over time by generations of amazing thinkers. Once an idea is grounded in truth, it becomes part of the structure. And from there, new ideas are built. And this week, we've already seen one of those ideas, infinity. When we discovered that prime numbers never end, we stepped into something without a boundary. But that's just the beginning, because infinity is not just part of prime numbers. It is part of the structure of mathematics itself. Another vast room in this cathedral. And next week, we'll begin to explore it. So when you think about prime numbers, you're not thinking alone. You're stepping into a stream of thought that stretches across time. From ancient markings on a bone to mathematicians like Euclid and Riemann, to anyone who has ever paused to wonder. To me, in a world that feels divided, this is something we share. The same questions, the same curiosity, the same sense of wonder. Yes, to me, there's something hopeful in that. So here's a few questions to wrap up our week. What is math to you? Is it just a set of problems to solve? Or is it an invitation? An invitation to notice patterns, to ask questions, to discover something real and beautiful that was there before you arrived. This week, we've only taken a few steps. But maybe that's enough to see that math is not just something we use, but something we can enter. What I saw this week is that truth is not just something we learn. It is something we can be drawn into, something beautiful, something worth exploring. So as you move forward, keep that invitation in mind to explore, to notice, to wonder, and to see just how far it can take you. This is Intersecting Us.